Hi all of you, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to understand about logs, how to check logs and how to read logs. Logs is the only place, or you can say it is the first place where engineer looks troubleshooting. By reading logs, one can find the root cause of the issue and then fix it. Simple. So let's get started. Inside my terminal and let's see some of the things. First, let's see, is Nginx running or not? System, CTL, status, Nginx. It's asking to type the password. So yeah, Nginx is running. Great. If Nginx is running, then Apache will not, because they runs on the same port only. So it's clear that Apache is not running. Still, I'm showing you that it's running or not. Status Apache 2. You can see it's inactive and dead. Alright. So let's run localhost on my browser to see Nginx is running fine or not. Why I am seeing the Apache 2 default page? Why I am seeing this page? Nginx is Nginx is running, Apache is not running. Then why I am seeing this page Apache 2? So now this is a problem, and now we have to figure this out. So let's figure through the port, on which port it's so I have to check like which service is binded to port 80. Okay, telnet, then let's use the pipe grep port 80. You all can see everything is fine. Nginx is running on port. It means everything is good. So port configuration is fine. Now we have to look further why we are encountering this Apache 2 on localhost as Nginx is already running. So why it's showing me the Apache page? So now, as I already showed you the document web root path in the last video, which was Nginx basics. So in that video, I showed you where www then forward slash HTML, there is your index.html file through which this web page is rendered. So this is your default file. This is your index.html page, which is this web server is serving. Okay, on HTTP through port 80. So let's see that path. Um, Let me go there. Okay, let's get inside that cd, then where, then www.html. Okay, now I'm here. So here I can see the two HTML file, but there should be only one. Why there are two? So let's do cat for index only file, index HTML, because I know this file belongs to Nginx, but this file came from where? I don't know. Let's figure it out. Now this file belongs to Apache. So that's why Nginx is serving Apache web page, because Apache old HTML file, Apache old index.html file is present here, and this is what Nginx is serving on localhost. Now what we have to do is to resolve this problem. What we can do, we can we can change the name. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's do mv, okay, index.html. Let's change the extension. Okay, index.txt. Let's do txt. Oh, it requires the sudo permissions. Let's me give the sudo permissions. Now I believe, yes, it's done. So let's see now which page is serving on localhost. As you can see, now Nginx is serving its own page. So we found a problem and we also solved it by doing a short analysis. Okay. Now, so there is one thing which I want to show you in this video, which was by changing the permissions also you can see the web page. How? Let me show you. If I do let me use the sudo permissions. If I change the permissions, for example, 000, which means no permission for index dot nginx. Yes. Now I set no permissions for index. You can see there is no permission for my HTML file. Alright, so let's see if it's still running. You can see 403 forbidden. Now you can see this. Okay, now you encountered an error which is 403, and you know how to fix that, but still I want to make sure that everyone should know. If you are encountering 403 error, then what should be checked first? Now you know, you can check port, you can check the permissions are right or not. That's how DevOps engineer plays with the things and troubleshoot them. Okay, so now we know that there are no permissions and we are encountering 403 error. But how we can see that? Like, we can't assume on the basis of a web server. We can't assume things on the basis of web page. Like, web page is showing 403 error, then we can't assume anything by our own. So how can we check? So we can check the logs. Okay, let me show you that. Where log, then nginx, then there is error.log, which shows all the error. Now you can see clearly it's saying permissions are denied. Client, you can see get request, and it's showing me the HTTP request as well. Host, localhost, it's showing me each and everything. Okay, I already told you error log shows timestamp, error log shows the IP address, error log shows the error code, status code, and this request as well. This is your HTTP method. So let me show you what is this. So there are number of HTTP methods. Like, you can see there is your get method, which retrieves data from the server without modifying it. There is your post, sends data to server to create a new resource. Okay, and this one is put. There are multiple, you can see. Now it's showing me the get. Get means retrieve data from the server. So the moment I do one thing, the moment I refresh it, so it should show me more logs. So if I run again this command, now it's showing me 5 times permission denied, because I refreshed the web page and it's saying it's a get request, it's a HTTP request, and it's showing me each and everything. Like, main root cause, permissions are denied. By looking these logs, we can identify the root cause. Okay, why we are encountering 403 error. We can't assume on the basis of website only. Now, in a real production environment, we don't use cat command, we use tail command. So if I do like this, tail, then the whole path, where, then log, then nginx, then there is your error.log. Okay, so this shows only few lines. Like, this shows only 10 last 10 lines of the file. So that's why we use only tail command. If I run again tail command, you can see. But in real production scenarios, what we do is we do like this: tail hyphen f, then var dot log dot not dot nginx, then error dot log. So now you can see there is no terminal here, because this command not ended now. So if I again do refresh, I can see a new log. If I do again refresh, I will see new log, and it shows the timestamp as I already told you, and it shows the status code, it shows the error code, it shows the HTTP method. Everything is here. It's showing me the called root path. Okay, let's do one thing. So let's get out from this. Okay, once I give permissions, so let me show you one more thing. There are two types of logs. Okay, tail hyphen. There is access log as well. Access. It also shows the HTTP method. You can see it's showing me the timestamp as well. It's showing me the HTTP method, which is get. Okay, and it's showing me everything: the browser version, Windows, this, everything. You can see the IP address as well. All right, but it's not. It's actually a private IP, I believe. So let's move on and let's get out from this. Okay, let's fix the things again. chmod. Let me give 644. I believe this is enough. 6 for user, 4 for group, and 4 for other. Which file I want to give this permission? I want to give this permission for where www html. Then there is index.nginx.html. All right, I have to give the sudo permissions as well to make things work. Yes, now it's working. So the moment I change the permissions, if I try again, refresh, yes, I can see. And let's see the logs as well. Okay, now everything. So this one is error. Oh, sorry, this one is access.log. I don't have to go inside this. I have to check error.log. Error.log. Let me remove this hyphen F for now. As I can see, permission are denied. So let me again refresh the tab. It's saying permission denied still till now. So what get out of log is about. Okay. So that's what logs are. So log is the first place, as I already told you. Engineer looks logs first. Then they think what to do, like where what is the root cause and what should be done. All right. And if I talk about the root cause analysis, what's happening? I deliberately break the things and change the permissions. So what's happening? So permission denied. We encountered a 403 error. Where to check? Where to check? So where to check? You have to check if you are encountering 403 error, then it could be permission. Okay, permissions are denied, but where to check? This is not. You have to check. You have to do that where log nginx error dot log. Okay, where to check? And what does log say? Log says permission. So log says permission denied. Okay, permission denied. And what is root cause? So root cause are the permissions, because there was no permission for a root HTML file. That's why the file was not able to execute. What to fix? Change permissions to at least 644. Okay, 6 for user, 4 for group, and 4 for other. 6 means read and execute permissions. 4 means, so 4 means um read. So 4 means only read. Okay, it means read for group, read for other, and read and execute for user, which is me, because I am logged in into my machine. So I am logged in as Saitya DevOps user. So I hope this is enough for today, and I hope you all are practicing parallelly with me, and just practice these things and understand the concepts. Take the help of ChatGPT, that will help you a lot, and we will be meeting in the next video. Bye for now. Thank you.
ਸੀਗਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਲੋਕ ਤਾਨੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਕੱਸਦੇ ਆ ਮਿਡਲ ਕਲਾਸ ਬੰਦਾ